What is available quantity in inventory? Let's go to the item list and let's choose this inventory product, 2 gigabytes of RAM. Let's edit that so we can give you an example of what the on-hand quantity looks like. So once we click this available, this will bring up our available quantities window. The term available quantity refers to the on-hand quantity minus quantities already committed on active customer orders. Available quantity is sometimes referred to as available to promise. The available quantities window is the best way to see at a glance all the quantity information for an item. In a multi-store configuration, this window can also be used to enter or view item quantities at other stores. So as you can see here, we have it set up with 2 stores. Right now in store number 1, we have 187 of the 2 gigabytes of hardware, whereas at store 2, there's none. What's important about this window is at a glance you can view all the quantities related to the item at your store, like we said. In the available is the quantity available to sell. Again, we talked about this. It equals your on-hand quantity minus quantity committed on active customer orders. You can click on the on-hand quantity, and this is the current quantity on hand in inventory. On order is the quantity on active purchase orders. Does not include POs with the status of pending. As you can see, it took the quantity by store for store number 1 to 0. Pending is the quantity on active customer orders and purchase orders that have had their status set to pending. Typically, these orders are used for quotes, estimates, or planning purposes, but the orders have not yet been accepted by customers or submitted to vendors. In a multi-store configuration, quantities for other stores are as of the last completed store exchange. If you track multiple units of measure for an item, the quantities displayed are for your base unit. And that completes our demonstration on how to understand the available quantities information.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.